I decided to show you guys how to make pudding for your banana pudding. In this saucepan that I'm warming up on a high fire just to warm the milk is 1 can of evaporated milk. I got 3 small eggs. I have banana extract. And I have granulated sugar. So, those are all the ingredients that we're going to need. Now, my milk has gotten warm. So now I'm going to turn the fire down to a low. Because now I'm going to add my my egg. Give me 1 moment. My little shifter. I'm going to use my shifter instead of my spoon right now. But I will need that spoon. Okay. Now, I'm making a mess today. Now I'm going to pour my egg yolk. I separated my egg yolk from the white. Remember, only the egg yolk. I'm going to stir it constantly. And then I'm going to add I am so clumsy today. I am going to add two teaspoons, no, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Banana extract. And then I'm going to add two cups of granulated sugar. You want to kind of constantly stir because you don't want the eggs to cook in an egg form. Now what you want to do is some people use cornstarch. Me, I use a little flour and water for a thickener, because actually this is your pudding right here, but you want to thicken it up. So I'm going to get some flour and a little water. Honey, no. You have that. Okay. I'm going to actually use a tablespoon. Oh, okay. I have my mixture of flour and water, which is a thickener. I'm using it as a thickener. Now, I pour about half in there. We're getting ready to make a mess. Let's wait and see what it's going to give me. You know what? You can turn your fire up maybe a little bit on medium. It depends on how your stove cooks. I'm using gas stove, so mine will heat up pretty fast. Now I'm going to not use this one. I only use, let me see, I need my blue one. It's on the counter, my blue one. When I have to scrape, I only use my rubber spatula or rubber spoon. And I want to make sure nothing's sticking at the bottom. And see, it's got like foam at the top because of the constant stir. Now, I'm going to test it and look at the back of your phone. If it can coat the back of your phone, that'll let you know it is getting thick. But you know what I think? We'll taste it. Let's see. Oh yes. That's really good. And I can feel it getting thick. I think I needed a little thicker. Let's pour a little bit more in there. Well, we'll pour it all in there, but we won't scrape the bowl. Now, I'll get another spoon. Okay, it's thick enough. So that lets me know I do not need any more thickener. And let's see. See how that's coating? And it's come to a boil. I'm going to turn my heat off now. That tastes real good. I'll taste it again. Oh yeah. It's real good. Now, that is how you make pudding for your banana pudding. If you enjoyed this video, please at the bottom, like, share, view, ring the bell, and please subscribe. I'm going to have so many more amazing things that you can learn to prepare, or you may already know how, but I might do one little thing different. So please enjoy my videos and be blessed. Hi, I'm back. Now, I just showed you how to make pudding for a banana pudding. Now, the reason I did that because I already got a banana pudding video. But actually, my dad wants banana pudding, so I'm going to show you a little thing that I do. Now, sometimes when you use an egg, it will lump up a little bit. And you ask me, I call it tapioca. And that's not what we want right now. So, what I do, a little trick to mine is, I pour my pudding in my strainer. Because I felt some lumps in there. Lumps is okay, because you can strain it and it's just as good. So, as you can see, there's no lumps. And when I told you it was delicious,
it wasn't recording.
Okay, like I said, it will give you tapioca. Now, as you can see, the pudding, there's no lumps. it smoothly went down into my cookies and my bananas. So again, if you mess up with the lumps, don't worry. I'll show it to you a million times. We don't want that in our pudding. So strain it, please. Strain it. Don't throw it out. Strain it. And you'll have a great banana pudding. Until next time, again, please subscribe, share, please share. Comment at the bottom if it's something that you would like to see me prepare. Put it at the bottom and I will prepare it. Like always, be blessed.